Right, hello there everyone and welcome back to another video here on JB Visuals, where today you join me on a very special day here in Great Yarmouth, because today is actually the first day of the 2025 season for Joyland. Now of course Joyland is actually one of my favourite places to go to. I've been going there since I was a kid. I really like coming back every year to relive my childhood memories. There's some absolutely wonderful classic rides in there, including the awesome Super Snails, the Tub Twist, which is actually the world's only Virginia reel, one of its kind left, and then of course you've also got the Spook Express roller coaster, which is really good as well. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to go into Joyland, we're going to get some really good on-ride POVs and check out some of the other changes that have been taking place since last year. So here's a little look at the prices for Joyland this year. I've actually noticed I've actually changed quite a bit since the last time I visited. Yeah, so rides are now £3 each, and the prices have actually gone up a bit. So it's now £30 bag for 12 tokens, and then you've got the £60 bag, which is now 25 tokens. So yeah, it's not too bad, but £3 is still quite good for a ride. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into Joyland. And here you've actually got the Spook Express coaster up there. That's a good little attraction to go on. I think we'll go do that first, I think.
Some lunch on my piece,
Yeah, so the first ride of the day is Spook Express. So this is the little roller coaster that runs on the top of the mountain. Got a little bit of a queue, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got a nice little mountain just here. You've got a nice castle, and yeah, still looking good as ever. Here we go then on Spook Express. Nice little mountain here into Vampire Valley. Whoa! Oh, got some mist in here. Whoa! I like the mist in here. Yeah, some really good improvements. And some lights in there as well, which is good. Nice views. Oh! I do like this bit, it's quite dark and very intense. Oh, all this mist. Wow. That was pretty good. Yeah, nice improvements. Time for a ride on the Super Snails now. One of the most iconic attractions here at Joyland, which dates back to 1949. And here they are. All different colours here. And they've actually done some changes as well. Right, time for a ride on the Snails. We've done some really good changes to this last year. You'll see it for the first time on the vlog. And here we are, look. So we've actually got the set of changes just here, which is this board from the wall. All fairy tale themed this is. So it's looking really fresh. Yeah, I do actually like what they've done with it. Nice and fresh as well. We're going to go down these drops now as well. Yeah, we got some more here as well. Look, got some more theming going on. Get your photo taken at the end as well. Do like what they've done with the garden as well. Little ponds. there we are, back into the station. And then you get your photo taken.
And credit smile coming.
There we go.
And big smile.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Right, Jamie.
Yeah, that was a really good ride on the Snails. Really enjoy it as always. And next up, we're actually going on Neptune's Kingdom, which is the little dark ride you can see inside here. It's had some really good changes done over the years, and I can't wait to see them all over again. And it's always looking nice and fresh as well. Go to Neptune's Kingdom. Nice little dark ride that's been done over the years. It's so colourful in here now. It really is. I do like these skeletons, especially the toilet as well. There we go, that's Neptune. On the world's only remaining Virginia reel, and it's the Tubs, as you can see here. Time for a spin. This is a really fun ride, this is. It really is. This is where it gets really intense. As soon as you go to the top of that lift hill, that's when you really start to spin. And yes, Britannia Pier's being done up. Here we go. God, this is intense. It looks like they've actually done some track work as well over winter. Oh, God. Whoa, I'm spinning really fast. I'm going really fast. Whoa. Whoa. God. Oh, this is a fun ride, this is. I mean, oh, I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is intense. Oh, this is a really good ride. Oh my God, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, I'm dizzy. Oh, it's such a fun little place this is. Right, so I've only just got one more ride to do, and it's literally just round here, and it's the jet cars. This is a very old ride, this is, and of course they do make a really loud noise when they go through these caves here. So yeah, without further ado, we'll head over to them now. Right, here I am on the cars. I've got the whole ride to myself. Got your Toy Story lights up here. spinning wheels. Here we go. Here we go, it's a little fast bit. These are so loud every year. I do like this little ride, it's very, very good. A little bit of bonus footage on the little pirate ship, and adults can ride as well. Yeah, I was just looking at Britannia here, and you can see they've actually sort of got one of the towers on since I last came down here. But yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, you get some good airtime on this as well. You can feel it when you go up. Yeah, so that is it then for the annual Joyland vlog for this year. It's always nice to get back there on opening day, seeing all the rides working again and getting the first rides of the year. I was really pleased with a lot of the changes they've made. Spook Express, inside the tunnel, they've actually got a fog machine, so when you go in that helix in the dark tunnel, it's, you know, there's literally a lot of fog in there, and when you come out you can sort of see it as well. And there's also a little light in there that flashes different colours. The snails are looking good as ever. They've all been repainted. They've actually done some work on the walls. They've got like these themed panels. They're all like based on fairy tales. They're looking very nice, so it actually adds something to look at when you're actually going on the snails. Neptune's Kingdom, again, that's actually had more changes last year, probably the final bits with the station. So yeah, they're all looking really nice, the artwork in there. So you've got like a seahorse and King Neptune and a crab. So yeah, work is actually being done to Joyland, and yeah, I really enjoy coming here. It's a park that I've always visited with my family. I really enjoy going on the rides there, the snails, the tubs, like I said, Neptune's Kingdom and the Spook Express, along with the little rocket cars as well. But yeah, I mean, I always enjoy coming here and supporting this little park. And yeah, you do really need to support your local attractions, because I've seen quite a few of them close up, which makes me really sad. So yeah, please come and support your local attractions and keep them going, basically. But yeah, that is it then for another annual vlog of Joyland. I'll be back next year to capture even more changes and do it all over again. I mean, it's actually one of the best opening weekends I've ever been to. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in another video very soon. And remember, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Bye for now.